In this video, I show you how to install apps on your Panasonic TV. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. You may want to download and get more apps on your TV so you can go and access more different shows and music and things like that. So let's do this. So what you need to do is go onto your remote and you'll need to go and tap on the apps button just up here, or alternatively tap on home. And then what you can do is tap along to apps. As you can see there at the bottom, I'll just tap along like so, and here we are. You'll then be on the apps page, and what you need to do is go and tap on the apps market button. So just go and tap on apps market like this, and that's then going to load. You'll then connect to the internet and find all the apps which are available. So as you can see on the left hand side, you've got all the different sort of categories. You've got featured, video and movies, and then what you can do is go over to the right by using the right arrow key, and you can then go and choose an app you like. So for example, I could go down to music like so, then go and tap OK, then go over to the right hand side and I could go and get Deezer for example, so I could go and tap on it. And then once you've tapped on it, you just need to go over to free. This is basically like download because it's a free app. I'll then tap on that there. We'll then say installing and it says tap on apps to go and check it out. So what we can do is go and tap on the apps button just like so, or you can go and tap on home like this and then scroll across to apps. You're going to get to the same place, into apps, and just wait. And as you can see, if I then scroll down this page here, just using the downwards arrow, there is Deezer. I can then go and open up and I can go and sign in and start using it. It's that easy. If you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing. Peace.